Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm the Senior Creative Strategist at Signature Hardware, and today we're going to talk about Game of Thrones inspired decor. We're huge fans of the show Game of Thrones, and we thought we would come up with a really fun way to celebrate the last season. I really love the look of this board. It showcases Daenerys as we knew her at the end of season 7 leading into season 8 as she's traveling north to fight the army of the dead. You'll notice the dragon, which is her house sigil. The texture on the vanity door and the mirror reminds me a lot of the dragon skin that you see on her children. I love the tile that was chosen for this mood board. It shows her journey toward the north where she's going to encounter ice and winter because winter's here. I'm really excited about this final season. As much as I would love to see Daenerys win the throne, I'm really rooting for Jon Snow. It's about time nice guys finish first.